23. Two particles P and Q move along a straight line. The fixed point O lies on this line. The displacement of P from O at time t second is s meters, where s equals t power 3 minus 4t power 2 plus 5t for t more than 1. The displacement of Q from O at time t second is x meters, where x equals t power 2 minus 4t plus 4 for t more than 1. Find the range of the values of t where t more than 1, for which both particles are moving in same direction along the straight line. Both particles are moving in the same direction when their velocities positive together or negative together. So we can find expression for velocity for the first particle, for particle B. The velocity ds over dt equals 3t squared minus 8t plus 5. Now, to see when the velocity positive, so solve the inequality more than 0. Your calculator to find the stationary value. You will find that the stationary values t equals 1 and t equals 5 over 3. Now you can draw number line to represent the sign of the velocity. This one, this 5 over 3. Greater than the greater, so greater than 5 over 3, velocity will positive. Less than the smaller will be positive. And between them will be negative. This for particle B. We can do the same for particle Q. Particle Q, V equals ds dx over dt. So 2t minus 4. Now this velocity will be more than 0 if 2t more than 4. This means t more than 2. And negative if t less than 2. So if you draw number line, so we have 2, more than 2 positive, less than 2 negative. So when the two particles have the same sign, by compare the two number lines, you can draw this number line. We have 1, 5 over 3, and 2. We can put the sign of B above the line and the sign of Q below the line. For B, it is positive if more than 5 over 3. And it is negative between 1 and 5 over 3. And for Q, it is positive more than 2 and negative less than 2. So they have the same sign. If t more than 2, they are positive, and between 1 and 5 over 3, both are negative. So t more than 1, less than 5 over 3, or t more than 2.